Now that you have Sublime Text installed, you should be able to open it up and look at a new blank document. So if you're on a PC, you should be able to go to your Programs folder and find it there if you installed it correctly. And on a Mac, you should have dragged the icon into your Applications folder, so you should see it there. So I'm going to open up Sublime Text, and you should get a blank document. If you're not getting a blank document, just go to File, and then click New File, and you should see a blank document come up. Okay, so what we're going to do first is save these documents on a specific location on our actual computer hard drive so that we can easily access them. So what I recommend that you do is create a new folder on your desktop. On a Mac, you can right-click to create a new folder. You should be able to do something similar on a PC. And we're going to rename this folder to HTML. So I'm just going to click on the name once, left click on a Mac here once, and then you should be able to edit the name. So I've got a folder now called HTML. You can call it whatever you want. And what we're going to do is save this document, this new file that we have from Sublime Text, inside that folder. So let's just write something inside of it for now. We'll say this is my first HTML web page. And then I'll hit Command S on a Mac, or you can just do File and then go to Save As. And then you'll want to just find that folder that you created. Now you could put this folder again anywhere. You can create that folder wherever you want. I'm just putting it on the desktop for easy access. So I click here. And now keep in mind, when we save the file name, we want to add the extension .html. So let's just call it index. Name the file index.html. And now when I hit save and I open up this HTML folder, I now have a file here called index.html. So once you've done that, you've technically created your first HTML page. So now if we want to view it in the browser, and you'll realize that you don't even need the internet to view HTML pages in the browser as long as you save it to your hard drive. All we have to do is go to that file, and then you should be able to double click on it as long as you named it with the .html extension. So I'll double click on that, and here we go. It's opened up in a browser for me. So this is my first HTML page. Now if you're having trouble opening it up for any reason, you should be able to just open up a browser like I have here, Google Chrome, and then you can go up to File and hit Open File, and just look for the file that we saved somewhere on your hard disk. So for me, it's under Desktop, HTML, and then index.html, and click Open, and there you go. You should have the file running in a browser. So once you're at this step, we'll be good to go and start creating some beautiful HTML pages.